Hi guys, I was pulling up to my house and I saw this bird. I wanted to get a video of it for you. I think it's one of the swallows that lives in the porch nest. Looks like she's got a scratch somewhere. Let's check in on the bird nest. Did we see the bird fly by? Look, my hummingbird friends. Oh, there it goes. See the lizard? Do you think this lizard could be related to the dinosaurs? Some people think they might be. Which one do you think it might be? It's got a long tail, short legs. Look at that long nose, too. I don't know.
That's so
Something
cool.
to think about.
Wonder what the lizard's gonna do. It's just hanging outside in my backyard. Do you ever see any in your backyard?